Welcome to our in-depth comparison between TP-Link's Archer A7 and Archer 4000 routers. Let's explore their wireless, security, hardware, and software features to help you make the right choice. 1. Wireless. While both routers support Wi-Fi 5 standards, the Archer C4000 offers faster AC4000 speeds compared to the X1750 speeds of the Archer S7. Additionally, the Archer C4000 provides a tri-band connection with 6 fixed high-performance antennas, offering superior coverage for larger homes. Both routers support multiple working modes and allow allocation of devices to different bands for optimal performance. 2. Security. Both routers offer robust network security features such as spy firewall, access control, and IP binding. However, the Archer 4000 includes TP-Link's HomeCare antivirus, malicious site checker, and other advanced security features providing enhanced protection for your network. Both routers support VPN servers and various encryption protocols for secure data transmission. 3. Hardware. The Archer 4000 is powered by a powerful 1.8 GHz dual-core CPU, surpassing the Qualcomm CPU in the Archer A7. Additionally, it features link aggregation 802.3 with 2 LAN ports for faster wired connections. The Archer 4000 also offers USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, supporting a wide range of partition formats and functions for USB storage. 4. Software. Both routers support I4 and E6 protocols, parental controls, and quality of service (QoS). Management. However, the Archer C4000 comes with TP-Link's HomeCare parental controls, allowing for custom profiles, content filtering, app blocking, and time scheduling. It also offers advanced QoS by device and application. Both routers support cloud services, firmware upgrades, and various management options. In conclusion, while the Archer A7 provides solid performance and features, the Archer C4000 offers superior wireless speeds, extended coverage, advanced security, and enhanced hardware capabilities. Choose the Archer A7 for basic networking needs or upgrade to the Archer 4000 for high-performance networking with advanced security features. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay connected.